Hello friends, this is Coach VEER and I welcome you on my YouTube channel Coach VEER. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. Let's start with this question. It is given that a, b and c are three real numbers such that a plus b is given and a into b is given. You need to find the value of a square plus b, which one is the largest. Let's solve this. Okay, first of the thing you need to remember here is a, b, c are three real numbers. So if we have a quadratic equation, because this a plus b are looks like sum of the roots and a into b looks like product of the roots. So basically if we have a quadratic equation, we have this negative symbol and the sum of roots, and another thing after x we have plus and the product of the roots. Okay, so a good thing about this quadratic equation is whenever you have a quadratic equation and its roots are real, so its discriminant is greater than equal to 0. Same funda will be applied here. So b square minus 4ac in that term of that abc, if this is a, this is b, and this thing, this c, so it must be greater than 0. So let's put the value, sum of the roots, which is your b. We will put the values as c minus 1 whole square negative 4 times it is c square minus 7c plus 14 is greater than equal to 0. Correct. Now let's move further. Simplify it, open the brackets, it will become c square plus 1 minus 2c, and it will become 4c square plus 28c plus 56 of negative. Okay, let's make it negative. Greater than equal to 0. Okay, fine. Now just simplify it further. You will get minus 3c square and this will become 26c, and this will be like 55 greater than equal to 0. If you factor it out, you know it's 3 and 5, so 15. So negative 15 or positive 15c, and this positive, let's say 11, is this much. Okay, because 11 into 15 is 55 into 3, and 11 plus 15 is 26. Let's take negative 3 common, or 3 also you can take common, it's up to you. So I am taking negative 3c common, I am left with c minus 5, and here I am taking plus 11 common, I am left with c minus 5. Okay, now negative 3c and this plus 11 and this c minus 5 is greater than equal to 0. So you know these all two things will going to become 0, and it will become 0 at 11 by 3 position and at the 5th position. So c must lie in between them. How to prove that? That is inequality thing. You can easily prove that by substituting the value, like 11 by 3 and 5. The value you can choose is 4. If you put c is equal to 4, this will satisfy this condition. Hence this is correct. So our c must be in between this. This is important here to note. Okay, now let's begin the question again with that condition of ab and a square b. We need to find the value of a square plus b square, so we will consider that only. Now coming down to the question again, a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. You know, if you open this plus 2ab, we will cancel out with this. Okay, let's substitute the value. A plus b value is the sum of the roots, which we have just written is c minus 1 whole square and negative of 2 times of this product of the roots, basically this much. And when you solve it further, you will get c square plus 1 and negative 2c. Here you will get negative 2c square and positive 4c and 14c, and this will become negative 28. Solving it further, you will going to get c square will get cancelled and negative c square will be left, and here you are left with 28, this thing 14c, and this thing will going to become 12. So I am writing plus 12c, and this will become 27. You can make it further simpler, but yeah, the condition is you need to factorize it. It's up to you. Now let me factor it in a more elegant or a better way by completing the whole square thing. So if you do that way, if you add 6 square and you subtract 6 square, so what are you going to get? 6 square minus okay, let's take negative common first, then it will look very good to you. If I take negative common, this question will become like this. And if I do what I have added this 6 square in this, so why I am adding this? Because b is 6, so I am adding 6 square in this and I am subtracting 6 square from it. Now what we are left with, this is a whole square thing, so negative c minus 6, correct, whole square, and this portion will be 36, negative of 36, and this is positive of 27. So you can judge it is going to become 16 minus 7 is 9, and this will be only 9. So we are left with negative 9, and when you open this bracket you are left with how much? 9 of positive and negative of c minus 6 whole square. You know the biggest value for this thing is going to be 6. Okay, so because after 6 it's going to increase, but what value I should put? Our limits we need to remember that 6 maximum, c maximum can go to 5, so we can go to 5 only. That's the important part here. So if I put 5, then I will get 1, and this is the answer 8. Now a square plus b square value is 8 for the maximum. So here is our answer C. Hope you understood this. If any questions you have, any doubts you have, you can put that in the comment section. I will make video on that and try to clear your doubts. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you have subscribed my channel and shared it with your all friends. Press the bell icon also. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.